paano daw mag-automatically assign ng academic awards based on student grades. Dito sa column A, ito yung mga student name natin. Then sa column B, ito yung final grade. At sa column C, dito natin ilalagay yung mga award. So ito yung ating pagbabasihang criteria. Ito yung ating gagamiting formula. If yung B2, ito yung ating final grade. If B2 is greater than or equal to 98, ang lalabas sa kanya with highest honors. Then itong kasunod na conditional function, if B2 is greater than equals to 95, with high honors yung lalabas. If B2 is greater than or equal to 90, with honors yung lalabas. Otherwise, no honors. Okay, enter natin. So with highest honors yung lumabas. Copy lang natin yung formula. Click lang natin yung pila handle, then drag downward. And that's it. Meron na siyang academic award.